contaminated every ounce of ingredients in this kitchen. And you see that? Who is hoarding all this shit?
You shouldn't be shitting on yourself.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're just trying to act like a fucking idiot to make yourself sound better?
I'm not a fucking idiot.
Well, then stop sounding.
You're taking them because this servers deserve them.
You want to speak with me?
Yeah, I want to speak with you.
You want to fuck with me? I will fuck with you.
I don't want to fuck with you.
Then I will fuck with you.
Oh my God, what a joke.
Just smell that. Just smell that. And smell that. Fucking smell it.
Yes, I smell it.
You've got cooked meat, raw meat, and fucking desserts. Glazed in half-cooked Lego lamb blood.
This is bullshitting me and blowing smoke up my ass, telling me working there 8 hours a day cleaning.
Telling me that food is great, people love it.
I am shitting myself.
Are you kidding me?
All of you, quick! If you think I'm serving that, you're dreaming. We may as well go back to where we were.
You're right.
All of a sudden, we've just dropped our fucking standards. The next person...
No, I don't
Marissa,
know why
it's not funny. It's not funny. I am fucking pissed off.
The girls deserve some tips tonight?
No, take it hourly.
And so do you think if I went and asked every customer when they leave a tip that it goes straight to the owner and not to the server, do you think they'd be astounded? Let me ask that.
We serve that shit.
You use that shit.
Are you that stupid?
So don't fucking serve the thing, right?
Whose restaurant is it?
It's my restaurant and I'm asking for
Fucking
help.
responsible!
I want to give up.
I'm asking for fucking help.
Then wake up!
You wake up.
Idiot!
Fucking come in here and help me instead of running your jaw.
You shouldn't even be in the kitchen! Get out!
Go ahead.
Get out!
Go ahead. You put it
Let's
all
finish
together.
it! Surely you've got a bit more respect than that! I'm trying to reason with you, Joe.
I get it.
Fine,
I get it.
fine. But I am not here to show an idiot you can't put fucking raw onions in an onion soup. I can't
Any idea how fucking deluded you sound?
What?
How can something be fucking delicious and overcooked? There's no such thing! Man!
That must be cheap. What's funny?
Our product's not cheap.
Your product's not cheap. Okay. So what's so funny?
Unbelievable. Now I know the problem in this restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm staring at it.
And I'm staring at it as well.
Because if you're operating it this badly, I can help you in 2 minutes. I can give you the best advice you'll ever get. Lock the fucking door and close it down.
Sir, the tip that you left, the young lady server, the owner takes the tips.
No, okay.
Don't fuck with me.
Yeah, I will fuck with you.
Yeah.
Who the fuck you think you are?
Let's
You
finish
got
it.
it right.
Fuck off then!
You fuck off.
Yeah, and take that shit with you. That's right, we're stopping an El Quesadilla. Breaking news in Mexico.
I'm asking.
Get out!
Because if you're operating it...
I sound like an idiot.
You used the word fucking,
Yeah,
so I brought
I
it
did.
back to you.
Okay.
I think that's kind of gross.
We need to calm
Hey.
down.
I'm fed up and getting sick and tired of your bullshit. Well, then fucking
I am
answer
the
my
gangster,
question.
not you.
Then
Come on.
fucking answer my question.
Tell the customers they're going to get their tips.
No, they don't.
They should be... Is that what you busted your ass off for?
No. Absolutely not.
Come on. You're right. It's in front of your eyes. Get them together.
I can't teach you that. That's called common sense. That in your tiny mind is not common.
Pardon? It tasted cheap.
It's not expensive, but it's not cheap.
I'm not going to argue with you, but you sit there on your ass, laughing your head off, thinking it's funny.
I'm not gonna get upset because of what you say.
No.
I'm just gonna smile about it. It's
Fine.
your opinion.
Well, how old
The
are you?
next person that throws that out at me, I will throw them out.
Yes, chef. Come on, guys, let's go.
Come here, you.